Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind out show me video. Remember to subscribe. Now watch share. No me notification bell no. Send me the video. Be a better one sabeka. Besuan se be caramel sauce. Yes, started. We 300 grams sugar. With the bagel sauce pan is soon. No way just so amananane. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Look at the description box na ingredients in our where 300 gram whipped cream, that's Panna, 235 gram burro, 6 grams salt. Ohwe na sugar na meta we pe na whipped cream na esi nche no, we be hwe de egum. Ba emra we say no, so make sure say wadum jana ansa. Uhwe egum we pe na fe de waso ejane back. Said the muhuno. What is 6 grams salt egg no akoswa then? I mix it. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Ahano pabet me use thermometer e da check temperature no. Yepe 75 degrees. Ahana e no ko hwe agu ubo mu. Uwi a obata na wodi si nche no. Na de agu mu little at a time. Now the hand blender e de a blend it. Sana be nyina ko sema den ebesa. Ahano aye ready no wa store wo container da ko she fridge mu. Wo ye cake abetimi de aka we den aye. Wo ba so betimi use for cake filling. De opesa wo ye no betimi eden e de aye. Me di she fridge ni ebo ama ne ye thick. O mpe ne thick nso a wo be she microwave so eden e heat. Se de mo hu no. Me ye we na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our caramel sauce. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.